Ever wonder what happens when a racing legend is unleashed onto the road, completely unrestrained? What if I told you there's a car that blurs the line between a street-legal supercar and a track-dominating beast, pushing performance to an unthinkable level? Prepare yourselves, because today we're diving deep into the electrifying world of the 2025 Ferrari SF90 XX Stradale, a machine so extreme it redefines what's possible. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single second of this. This isn't just another Ferrari, it's a statement. The SF90 Stradale takes the already phenomenal SF90 Stradale and injects it with a pure, unadulterated dose of XX program DNA, making it Ferrari's first road-legal 20 model. Think about that for a moment. This car isn't just fast, it's a track weapon disguised for public roads. Its twin-turbo V8, combined with 3 electric motors, unleashes a mind-blowing 1,030 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, over 1,000 horsepower, capable of launching you from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a blistering 2.3 seconds. And it doesn't stop there, hitting 200 kilometers per hour in just 6.5 seconds with a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most supercars can even dream of. But it's not just about raw power. Ferrari engineered this car for ultimate engagement. The aerodynamics are insane, featuring a massive fixed rear wing, a first on a road-going Ferrari since the F50, delivering incredible downforce. This isn't just for show. It genuinely sticks the car to the tarmac, giving you unbelievable confidence at high speeds. The car also boasts an updated gearshift logic directly inspired by the Ferrari Daytona SP3, making every gear change feel incredibly precise and thrilling, accompanied by that signature Ferrari sound. The interior is a masterclass in focused performance, with carbon fiber racing seats and technical fabrics throughout, all designed to shave weight and enhance the driving experience. This car is about connecting you directly to the road, making every drive an event. Now, you might be thinking, who is this car for? It's for those who crave the absolute pinnacle of automotive engineering. For the collectors and enthusiasts who understand that this isn't merely a vehicle, it's a piece of history in the making. With only 799 units produced globally, it's an incredibly exclusive machine. Every detail, from its aggressive styling to its advanced hybrid powertrain, screams performance and passion. It's a car that demands your attention, a car that evokes pure emotion. If you're looking for something that stands out, something that truly pushes the boundaries of what a supercar can be, the 2025 Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This car isn't just driven, it's experienced. It's a testament to Ferrari's relentless pursuit of automotive perfection, merging cutting-edge hybrid technology with their legendary racing heritage. What do you think about this incredible machine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more automotive content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of high-performance cars. Source: Ferrari.com. Car and Driver, Wikipedia.